Well, we're here, and I'll be sure to tell people where we're at.
Yes.
After a comment in one of our previous videos.
Where are we at, Steve?
We're at Rhinefalls, Anna. That's where we are. We're at
In Rhinefalls.
Rhinefalls. Yep. So we've managed to find somewhere to park. All the car parks are empty. There is motorhome parking as well.
Yeah.
In parking Platz Nummer 4. Parking place number 4.
Yeah.
So that's where we've parked. You can actually see the falls from the parking place. So I'm not too sure if we're going to pay to go in or not.
I know.
We'll see when we get down there and see what additional benefits it gives us. But you can actually see the Rhine Falls from up here anyway.
Beautiful already. You can hear them.
Can hear them. I can see them through the trees. We'll just keep you hanging just for a little bit longer. And then once we've done this, I think we're going to try and find somewhere in
Yes, because
Schaffenhausen.
yeah, because there's an old town. It looks really nice.
To park up and have a wander around, because we're about, well, it's a 10-minute drive,
Yeah.
isn't it, out of town?
So about an hour walk.
It's about an hour walk. So yeah, we'll check out the waterfalls and then try and find somewhere a bit closer to town to have a wander.
Oh, it's cold. It's cold today.
Right, so it seems as though you don't have to pay to come in today for some reason.
Unless you come on the wrong bit.
No, we've come in the right bit. But wow, I'm just going to take you around now. How cool is that?
Oh, it's amazing, isn't it? Look.
Fantastic. Look at that bird there, look. See it?
Yeah.
It's on the rock.
Oh, look at it. Absolutely beautiful. So glad we came.
I was going to go and do the boat trip, but it's end of season now, it's closed, and the boat that we saw going over was just for group bookings only and pre-booked, so there's no individual boat trips now, unfortunately. Bugger.
Could put you on one.
Well, yeah, could have done. The lady said I could swim over if I wanted to. It's 12 degrees in there, so it's not too bad. Not a chance.
No, no. Oh,
well,
never mind.
Maybe next time. We'll have to come back.
Yeah, we'll have to do it. It's something you could do, isn't it?
The Rhine Falls, located in Switzerland, are the most powerful waterfalls in Europe. Located high on the Rhine, on the border between Schaffhausen and Zurich. The falls are 150 metres, 490 foot wide, and 23 metres, 75 foot high. Right, so we're in Schaffhausen now.
Yes.
We've obviously seen Rhinefalls earlier this morning, and this is another little town that Anna picked out that she wanted to come and visit. And it's another old town, and I think you'd be mistaken for thinking that we were somewhere in like Stein am Rhein again.
Yes. Yes.
We had all the painted buildings, but we're not. So we're going to have a quick wander around here, see what this place is all about, what it's like, show you around, and then we'll be moving on. All these places are slowly starting to get ready for Christmas, aren't they now? The Christmas lights are all up. Look.
Not lit yet.
Not lit. They're all.
But they're pretty when they are though.
Yeah. Something about Christmas markets in European countries, isn't there?
Yeah, totally different, aren't they?
Yeah. It just feels more Christmassy, doesn't it?
It does.
Yeah. Sorry, Anna.
That was 48.
A few more stairs. I know we did loads this morning, but hopefully this is another worthwhile view. To the upper level now. Wow. At least it's not a spiral staircase. I'll speed this bit up for you.
Dark. 'Cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark. I don't mind the rain, bringing life back. We can breathe again when dealing with the pain. No, I don't mind the rain. Ooh, that's the way it goes.
Sorted.
Right, good morning
Morning.
and welcome to France.
Yes, Vive la France.
Vive la France. We've stayed in a lovely air at a place called
Silly.
Stat. And believe it or not, as you can see on the board there, this place cost us €9 for 24 hours. That's with electric,
Yeah,
with water, and with your waste disposal, isn't it?
yeah. And Wi-Fi.
And Wi-Fi as well.
Awesome.
So we found it on Park for Night, didn't we?
Yes.
But there was a few people moaning about it.
I know,
saying
I know.
It's ugly and, you know, but for
It's really secure because you've got barriers as well.
Yeah.
Yep.
So basically the way it works, you pull up,
Here.
pay
to
point,
here. All here.
It's all in English.
You get your ticket from there. You put your code in here, and hey presto.
And that's it,
Yeah.
and you're in. And there's all your facilities, there's your prices. Obviously you can't come in with trailers, and you can't come in with double axles either.
It's just not big enough,
It's
is
not
it?
big enough. But
No. There we go.
for €9, bonus.
Definitely.
So we're going to walk into town now and show you the town.
Yes. Uh-huh.